Alright, Claw, get that blueprint. Alright, now we gotta go up top. Damn, look at the booty!
Right? That's what I'm saying. They got cheeks.
Where?
I don't know who's
They got full
that.
cheek out.
Wait, outside?
No, it
You
was
went back
inside.
up?
You missed it.
Oh.
He's gonna drown? Oh wow. Think so quick.
Swim.
It's funny we didn't even have to dive in. We just
I was seeing if there's anything in the bottom.
Kind of surprised to see that we were allowed to even do that.
What, dive?
Yeah, with all the shit that we're carrying.
Oh, I feel you.